again, I've used Armani because I really want you all to recognize that the designers out there, really it's very easy to look to them to see what they're doing. And if we look at these back darts, I've actually kind of pinned them because it's black and I wanted to make sure you can see it. And if we measure the distance from center back to the first dart, we're dealing with the center back of the pants. So center back to the first dart and center back to the bottom of the dart, we see that those lines are not parallel but close to parallel. And again, because we don't have to be that persnickety on patterns to make sure they're exactly parallel, there's no reason to, you know, literally make them exact. But as long as they're going down similar to the direction of the center back seam, that's all that really matters. If you notice, the first dart placement is 4 inches from center back. That is so typical and very, very common. And yet a lot of you bring patterns into workshops, pants patterns in particular, and the first dart is 3 inches from the center back. And there isn't any designer out there who does that. So I just want to make you aware of dart placement, and that the first dart is 4 inches from center back. There is a little bit of fluctuation on that depending on size. It could be as small as 3 3/4 when you're dealing with sizes 2 and 4. And then when you go up into sizes that are larger, sizes 22, you'll get maybe 5 inches from center back. But keep in mind, never 3 inches. And you really want to look at some of your pants, or else go into the stores and shop and really see that that first dart placement should be 4 inches. And then you want, again, that dart to go fairly straight down. And the reason I say this is I've seen a lot of women with pants on and the dart's jutting out toward the hip line, and it's coming out in a very angled position. And the negative of that is how much wider the back end looks when those darts are not a more straight up and down look. So if I look at my pattern, you can see that my dart is actually going to go down straight here and then go up at an angle. This line is the stitching line that's going to actually take on the shape of that dart. So I want it to go fairly straight down.